Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically calculate or count rows or columns in your table in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my table in Microsoft Word. And for example, I'm going to calculate the total score. Okay, if you want to calculate automatically, you can activate this sum on your Microsoft Word, and to activate this menu, you can click on this customize quick access toolbar. Okay, then you're going to select more commands, and you're going to select all commands here, and then you're going to move down, and you're going to search for the sum toolbar or the sum command. Wait, okay guys, this one, you can click on this command and you're going to click on add. Okay, I have already added this command to my toolbar. Okay, and you're going to click on the OK button, and after this sum has been added to your toolbar, you're going to tap on that and the result will appear like this. Okay, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to calculate in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.